Hello everyone, it's Kane Weather here. Today I'm going to give you another update on the tropics because we have a lot of tropical activity out there right now. Three areas that we're watching here. So we have Disturbance 1, which now has a 90% chance of cyclone formation in the next 5 days. We have Tropical Storm Hanna, and we also have Hurricane Douglas, which is like right now making landfall on Hawaii. So I'm going to give you a detailed forecast on all these, the live infrared satellite, the future models, and the track on all these coming out today's video, so stay tuned. But we start off with Disturbance 1, which now has a 90% chance of formation of a tropical storm, a hurricane, and it's most likely going to be a letter I here. So it's crazy that, because we don't usually get this far with our names, because they go alphabetically, um, but we don't usually get this far with our names. Like, we already got to the letter I in the alphabet for another name here. So again, this could be an I. This storm right here could be an I. So yes, definitely, it's crazy. We're already it's just this far. We don't. It's just not normal that we get this far in our names. But not talking about the names. Let's get to where this might go. This might head towards the United States here. So definitely, there's lots of models are showing lots of different things. But the most area that I think is going to be this area here, especially here on this coast right here, definitely could be hit by the storm. Now let's go and take a look here and switch it a little bit and look at Tropical Storm Hanna, which there's the current information there, 40 miles per hour, 35 knots. Minimum central pressure was 1,000 millibars. You see the latitude, longitude numbers there. And the movement was west-southwest at 8 knots or 9 miles per hour. Now before we get into the track or the live infrared satellite, I'm going to show you the current alerts for South Texas here. So as you can see in this yellow shaded area here, that is our tornado watches. So we have tornado watches in effect, and we're already seeing some tornado warnings. Look at this red here. Those are tornado warnings there. So yes, definitely seeing tornado alerts, and all of these red areas here are tropical and hurricane alerts. Now let's get into the live infrared satellite on Hanna. And you see here, it's definitely weakened a lot. Definitely a lot, not so strong, but and you see it is bringing lots of rain to Texas here and Mexico. So this is it right here. Definitely um, calm down. And yes, so again, I think it calmed down to a tropical storm. Yes, it was once a hurricane, now it's a tropical storm. You can definitely see that has weakened. Now let's get into the track on Tropical Storm Hanna here. So you can see this has definitely calmed down with this rainfall here. So as you can see, this is it right here in Mexico. If you don't know here, just past Texas, still kind of in Texas, but now going into Mexico. And then times down a little bit further here. So definitely see that it really calms down. Well, seeing some more rainfall, but now you kind of lose it where it is because it's just calmed down so much and matches everything else. So yes, definitely calms down, and that is about Hmm, that is about here at about Tuesday. It's going to really just calm down and dissipate, and it disappears after that. Now let's get and switch gears here and look at Hurricane Douglas, which is now near and now making landfall on Hawaii. And as you can see, look at it. So it's the my last video showed just about this, but um I told you that the southern islands are going to get hit the worst. Now that has completely changed, and the more northern islands here are going to be hit the worst by this storm because the track has changed. And I just remembered I did not show you the track for Tropical Storm Hanna, so let's quickly do that. Then I'll get to more details about that. Sorry. But as you can see, it is now a tropical storm here in Mexico. And as you can see, it will calm down to a tropical depression after that in Mexico. And this is the rainfall, and you see most of the rainfall is in Mexico, so it's pretty much going out of Texas now. But yes, that is the track for that storm. Let's get right back to um, Hurricane Douglas. So yes, again, near this. So now I showed you where this is at. Let's look at the live infrared satellite for Hurricane Douglas. And you see this is not calmed down. Um, really just really strong. Look at it. It's already making landfall on the island. So again, just because I said the northern islands are going to get hit more, doesn't mean you won't get, the whole state won't get hit. Look at these southern islands here. Island of Hawaii here. These islands here are now beginning to be hit here. So yes, this is going to be moving here and definitely impact the rest of the state here. But yes, again, this is really strong. This black area here means lots of rainfall there. Now let's get into the future models and the track. So where this will go over the next few days. So as you see, this is it right here. And you see, and what I mean is you see it kind of still makes rain to the southern islands here, but it will majorly. What I mean, look at this. So it really just hits the northern islands as we go into the next few days here. And see, the northern islands are going to get hit a lot. So yes, definitely will go in that direction. So, and after that, it will go in it stays around for a while, but then it dissipates after that. Let's go and take a look here to end off the video, the track on that. So Hurricane Douglas. So as you can take a look here at its track here. So this is its track. So again, you see these shaded in red. Those are hurricane warnings in effect, and you see this blue, that's tropical storm watches. I believe that is what it is. And you see all these H's here. Definitely could be hit by a hurricane. So yes, and then you see it calms down to a tropical storm here. And you don't even see that it calms down to a tropical depression. This thing's gonna stay really intense, and not calm down for a while, but definitely will calm down to a tropical storm after it passes Hawaii. And you see 2 a.m. Monday, it hits that, it hits the northern islands there. But yes, that is the track. Now, one more thing, this is the rainfall. And this has definitely changed. So it is a little bit blurry here, but these are the northern islands of Hawaii that encircled there. You see the purple has now reached the Hawaii Islands. So that means really strong winds possible here. So again, guys, really strong winds have now been forecast for Hawaii. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like weather-related videos. If you have any weather questions, comment them down below. I should be able to answer them. But leave a like, subscribe, stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!